In uncertain times, every surface hides a threat. Ordinary cleaners just aren't strong enough. You need something stronger, something powerful, something extreme. A dangerous world needs dangerous chemicals to fight back. Toxico. Because you have to.
Don't believe their lies. Our revolution has evolved. It began a few years ago, when we lit the first fuse in the fight against toxicity with a new kind of disinfectant, OxiGenesis RTU. And we're making headway, all of us, together. But we knew we needed more. To truly defeat the forces of toxicity, we needed a concentrate. So our scientists got to work.
Yes. An interesting challenge. How to create a concentrated, broad-spectrum disinfectant that, like the ready-to-use product, does not require personal protective equipment like masks or goggles when diluted.
But then you had a stroke of genius.
Or some might say, madness. OxiGenesis already left little to no residue. So why not combine the broad-spectrum disinfectant power of the RTU with the low-residue cleaning and sanitizing power of our proprietary hydrogen peroxide cleaning technology? A cleaning and sanitizing concentrate plus a powerful disinfectant. One product for 99% of your cleaning needs. Come. OxiGenesis Hyperconcentrate, a patented sanitizer and broad-spectrum disinfectant that requires no PPE when diluted and takes care of 99% of your cleaning needs.
And then there's what's not in it, the key to taking down toxicity.
Yes. No harsh fumes, extremely low residue, non-corrosive, and non-abrasive.
That's right. It's here. One product, 99% of your cleaning needs in multiple dilutions. A patented cleaner, sanitizer, and broad-spectrum disinfectant all in one. With a safety profile that means once it's diluted, no personal protective equipment is needed. Even better? We've eliminated even more waste with a patented closed-loop system. Just dock, dial, and dilute, eliminating waste and preventing spills. Free yourself from toxicity. Free yourself from fear of the product you use. This is what you've been waiting for. This is the evolution of the revolution. And toxicity, we're coming for you.